Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to unlink Instagram from your Facebook page. First, let's start by unlinking through the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app, then tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Account Center under Meta. Tap on it and you'll see your linked accounts. Now let's switch to the Instagram app. Open Instagram and go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right. In the top right, tap the three bars to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Account Center, just like in the Facebook app. In the Account Center, you'll see the list of linked profiles. Tap on Profiles at the top. You'll see the accounts connected to both Instagram and Facebook. To unlink, go back to the main Account Center page, tap on Accounts, and then tap on the Facebook account you want to remove. Tap Remove next to it, confirm your choice, and review the information about what you'll lose access to. If you're sure, tap Remove at the bottom. And that's it, your Instagram and Facebook accounts are now unlinked. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.